All right, let's switch gears. Do you guys remember your first kiss? Anybody?
Yes.
Do you remember
Sure.
particularly?
Yeah,
You really remember? Wow. All right. Well, it can be awkward, exciting, and nerve-wracking all at the same time. Now imagine that you just met that person seconds before kissing them. That's the interesting premise of a new ad. A filmmaker got 20 complete strangers to lock lips on camera for the very first time. But is it cute or cringeworthy? You decide.
Justin,
Elizabeth,
how are you?
Nice to
Shall we
meet
make
you.
out?
Absolutely.
This here is the awkward moment.
So whenever.
Are you filming?
What was your name again?
Greg.
Greg.
Ingrid.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
My ears, I'm not ready now.
Good to go whenever.
Well, in just a few days, this ad for a clothing company has racked up almost 22 million hits. So,
Is this cringeworthy or great? I can't tell.
I don't know.
It has its moments where it's riveting.
It's certainly
Talk about it. I thought it
provocative.
was interesting. I think it's cringeworthy.
It's a little provocative.
There are a couple that they get really into the kissing. So it's like, get a room, guys.
Assume they're all single?
Okay,
I'm guessing.
Can I share something
Yeah.
from the makeup room?
Okay.
No, you don't need to.
Go ahead.
Savannah said, I would so do that.
You know, what's said in the makeup room is supposed to stay in the makeup room.
Character for you. I'm sorry.
Don't bring Matt to Vegas.
Okay, by the way, at Today.com, we asked you what you think of this ad. 64% of you say it's cute. 36% are with Matt, calling it cringeworthy. 12% had a snack in the bathroom.
Interesting tidbit.
There you go. Let's put a little fine point on it, and that is what's trending today.